This is Village Auto's 2015 Ford Taurus SEL four-door sedan. Absolute pristine one-owner vehicle, accident-free, verified through AutoCheck. The rear backup camera, rear park assist, dual exhaust, rear defrost, alloy wheels with 4 brand new tires. Very well maintained car. This one does come equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 motor along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $13,880. Let's get inside here for you. This one has a cloth interior, exceptionally clean as you can see. You do have the keyless keypad entry, full power options, power driver side seat, AM/FM CD player with the Sync powered by Microsoft, Bluetooth connectivity, USB and auxiliary inputs, dual automatic climate control, auto stick feature, steering wheel audio controls along with info controls, cruise control. This one has only 75,000 miles. Very clean, very well maintained car that runs and drives out absolutely perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2015 Ford Taurus SEL home with you today.